think civil rights in the 21st century are very similar to those back in the 60s. It's about individual freedoms. It's about protection against discrimination based on race, gender, sexual orientation. I think in this century we've expanded that listing to include disabilities that are both visual and non-visual. It's really grown to meet the needs of our ever-evolving population.
Now, civil rights would involve the right to meaningful employment, the right to earn a living, the right to have one's children educated, to have food, clothing, and shelter, to be free from violence. While we don't have segregation, we still have rights that not all groups enjoy equally, such as the right to marry within the same gender, the right to an education, the right to afford a good education.
It's a lifestyle. It's a way of being. It's that we live our life as equal people, as somebody who lives with respect for everyone, who stands up if there is inequality or inequity occurring around us, and who is always going to be aware of issues.
The fight for freedom and justice in the Denison community requires that we be willing to step outside our comfort zones. This not only applies to students, but also to faculty, staff, and administrators as well.
Civil rights in the 21st century are rights that have accumulated over time. I view them as a lifestyle. Civil rights are a natural right to every human being, and it's up to us to keep those rights alive.